In the case of Garrity v. New Jersey, a group of police officers were investigated by the state attorney general for fixing traffic tickets. The officers were warned that anything they said might be used against them in criminal proceedings, but if they refused to answer, they would be removed from office. Despite not being granted immunity, they answered the questions, and some of their responses were used to prosecute them for conspiracy to obstruct traffic laws. The question before the court was whether a state could use the threat of discharge to secure incriminatory evidence against an employee, contrary to the 14th Amendment. The court's reasoning revolved around the protection of individuals against coerced statements, emphasizing that the choice given to the officers was either to forfeit their jobs or to incriminate themselves, a situation that was seen as inherently coercive. The court held that the practice was unconstitutional, stating that policemen, like other citizens, are not relegated to a watered-down version of constitutional rights. The court concluded that the protection against coerced statements prohibits the use of statements obtained under threat of removal from office in subsequent criminal proceedings. The choice between losing their livelihood or self-incrimination was considered the antithesis of free choice, and the statements were deemed involuntary and could not be sustained. So how does this differ from Miranda? In simple terms, Garrity rights pertain to police officers during internal investigations, ensuring that if an officer is compelled to answer questions under threat of job loss, those statements can't be used in a criminal prosecution. On the other hand, Miranda rights are read to individuals in custody before interrogation, informing them of their right to remain silent and to have an attorney present, protecting their Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination. In essence, Garrity safeguards officers during job-related inquiries, while Miranda ensures that suspects understand their legal protections during a criminal investigation.